Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Dito tayo sa figure na ito. Circles on the upper rows are combinations of the circles on the bottom rows. Identify the best logical fit for the given figures. Is it A, B, C, or D? So makikita natin na almost related yung nasa mga options natin. But of course, you can use the cancellation pag makita natin na may mga kulang or sobra, but at least we can create a better chance po for getting the correct result. Let me use my pen here po, and given naman sa problem natin na yung nasa taas ay mga combination yung nasa baba. Or either way, yung nasa taas, if broken down into separate pieces, yun yung nasa baba. And these are the combinations niya. So, pag ganitong item po, kasi iba ito sa ibang item ng abstract reasoning or nonverbal items, so ginagawa ko pag ganito po is, I'm going to, of course, draw somewhere here. Let's just assume that it's a circle. And I'm just going to look into the simplest combinations. Kasi minsan nahihirapan tayo pag complicated na yung figure natin. So baka okay lang naman yung i-focus natin yung ating mga basic figures dito. So pag dito tayo, we can see here a line, and we have a small circle here. And please don't forget that there is a dot there. Okay, a block dot in the middle. So yan yung first figure natin. Okay, the next figure is a straight line using that. So may ganito na. And we have here an arc from here to there. Without finalizing the answer, we can already drop down two options po. That's the point of cancellation. This letter A has no line here, so cancel na yan. As easy as that. Yung letter C natin, punta tayo sa letter C natin dito. Okay, you would know that there's no dot here in the middle na ibinigay ng ganitong figure natin, so i-cancel na rin yan. So you are down with B and C. Okay, so to complete our figure, we have here a bigger circle, a dark circle, or a black circle there. Okay, and we have a unshaded circle here. Again, let's just assume that my drawing is a circle. Okay, so with this in mind, which of the two options, remaining options, is yung tamang sagot? Obviously, yung letter D, walang open circle dito, so i-cancel na yan. So basically, yung tamang sagot is letter B. Kasi nga, this comprises all the, what do you call this one, important characteristics of these three figures here. Now, the other way around of checking this or answering this as well is yung sa second level naman. Kasi ito po yung may direct relationship sa question mark natin. Kaya nga lang, sabi ko kanina, ang iba sa atin ay hihirapan pag complicated na. So, we can use here. But of course, you can do this as checking the dark circle here or shaded circle, unshaded circle here, a line in the middle, and an arc. Yun. Dito sa kabila, a line in the middle, check. An arc, which is already there, and a small circle, an unshaded circle and a small dot in the middle. So, it really fits our criteria. So, ito po yung mangyayari sa ganitong type ng abstract figure na sasagutin natin yung combination. So, once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!